Meanwhile, the high winds are causing several power outages across our region. Dominion Energy is reporting there are still about 1,900 outages in Northern Virginia. And at last check from Pepco and BGE, most of the power looks to be restored in Prince George's and Montgomery counties. Right now, our Lionel Donovan is in Prince George's County with a look at the cleanup efforts there. It has been a frustrating couple of hours for some of these residents, Lionel.
That's right, Simone. I got a chance to speak with two of them who said they've had to wait since yesterday in order to get their power cut back on. In the meantime, they're hoping that Prince George's County's leadership can find a way to keep something like this from happening again. Strong winds from Sunday evening have left a lot for Maryland's Department of Transportation to clean up today. Gusts reached up to 60 miles per hour in some parts of Maryland overnight, taking down trees, which in turn took out power lines, leaving thousands in Prince George's and Montgomery counties without light and heat.
I was sitting there in the living room and I could see the transformer, the blast light, like the flashing of it, and I was like, oh Lord, we done lost power.
Yvonne Brown says she first lost power Sunday afternoon,
Come on.
forcing her and her little buddy to stay bundled up inside until the power comes back on, which she hopes is soon.
If this power's not back on at a certain time, we're out of food and everything. Right. Yeah, because the power, all the food in there is going to go bad. But, gotta go. Come on.
As neighbors wait for the power to be restored, they're also calling on Prince George County's government to do something about the large trees, which they say pose a serious risk to the neighborhood.
The trees are a problem. Maryland has more rotten trees than anywhere I've ever seen, that I've ever lived, and they fall all the time, you know? You take a walk, they're falling.
Now, like you were saying earlier, Simone, BGE and Pepco have said that power has been restored to the vast majority of its customers, including Miss Brown. I had a chance to check in on her a little bit earlier, and she says she and Buddy are doing just fine and are warming up now. For now, we're live in South Laurel. Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.
Look, that was a stressful couple of hours, not only for Miss Brown and Buddy, but also some of the other residents you've been talking to. Really glad to see that things are starting to improve for them tonight. Lionel, thank you.